Homeward-bound astronauts splash down after 9 months in orbit. After 9 months circling our planet, 4 NASA astronauts are back on Earth. Their journey home concluded with a dramatic splashdown in the Pacific Ocean, marking the end of a mission that extended beyond its initial schedule. The crew, aboard SpaceX's Freedom Capsule, conducted valuable scientific research and made history during their extended stay on the International Space Station. The astronauts' return was a moment of both triumph and relief, highlighting the remarkable advancements in human spaceflight. Their safe arrival underscores the dedication and expertise of the teams at NASA and SpaceX. This mission is a testament to the power of collaboration in pushing the boundaries of space exploration. A mission extended overcoming technical challenges in space. Originally slated for a 6-month duration, the mission faced an unexpected 2-month extension due to unforeseen technical issues. A minor fuel leak detected on the Freedom Capsule prompted a thorough investigation and ultimately led to the decision to delay the return until the issue was resolved. This unexpected delay tested the adaptability of both the crew in space and the support teams on the ground. The extended mission offered a unique opportunity to gather additional scientific data and conduct experiments in microgravity. The astronauts' resilience and flexibility in the face of these challenges underscores the unpredictable nature of space travel. It also highlights the importance of rigorous safety protocols and the ability to adapt to unforeseen circumstances. Freedom Capsule, a marvel of modern spacecraft engineering. The SpaceX Freedom Capsule represents a new era in human spaceflight, combining cutting-edge technology with a focus on crew safety and comfort. This reusable spacecraft is designed to transport astronauts to and from low Earth orbit, including the International Space Station. Its sleek, futuristic design houses advanced life support systems, intuitive controls, and a spacious interior capable of accommodating up to 7 astronauts. One of the most notable features of the Freedom Capsule is its autonomous docking system, which allows it to precisely and safely connect with the space station without the need for direct human control. This technology not only streamlines the docking process, but also enhances mission safety by reducing the risk of human error. Section 4. The Return Journey. Navigating Earth's Atmosphere. Returning from space is a complex and fiery endeavor demanding precision engineering and meticulous planning. The Freedom Capsule's re-entry process involves a carefully choreographed sequence of 7 crucial phases, each designed to manage the extreme forces and temperatures encountered during atmospheric descent. As the capsule plunges through the Earth's atmosphere, its heat shield bears the brunt of the intense friction, protecting the astronauts inside from temperatures that can reach thousands of degrees. Parachutes then deploy in stages, slowing the capsule's descent and ensuring a safe splashdown in the ocean. Section 5. Back on Earth. Assessing the impact of space on the human body. Upon their return to Earth, the astronauts undergo a series of comprehensive medical examinations to assess the effects of prolonged spaceflight on their bodies. Spending months in microgravity can lead to physiological changes, including muscle and bone loss, cardiovascular deconditioning, and alterations in the immune system. Understanding these effects is crucial for mitigating the health risks associated with long-duration space missions. These post-flight examinations involve a variety of tests and assessments, including blood work, bone density scans, and balance and coordination evaluations. The data collected from these examinations provide valuable insights into the long-term effects of space travel on human health and inform the development of countermeasures to protect astronauts on future missions. Section 6. Shaping the Future of Space Exploration. Lessons learned from Freedom's journey. The successful return of the Freedom Capsule and its crew marks a significant milestone in human spaceflight. This mission underscores the progress being made in commercial space travel and its potential to advance scientific discovery and exploration. The data collected during the mission, along with the experiences of the astronauts, will shape the future of space exploration. As we venture further into the cosmos, missions like this pave the way for more ambitious endeavors, including establishing a permanent human presence on the Moon and eventually sending astronauts to Mars. The lessons learned from the Freedom's journey will undoubtedly guide us as we continue to push the boundaries of human ingenuity and exploration.